Hello, happy Friday, and thanks for tuning in for today's Pure Chaos. Today's episode is about lies. Specifically, the lies we tell to hide our addiction. You know you do it. I do it. I did it. We do it. We know it. So addiction doesn't just make us lie to other people. It teaches us how to lie to ourselves. And if I'm being honest, those are usually the lies that do the most damage. And that's because nobody can save you from a lie that you still believe. You know the ones. I'm just stressed. I've had a rough week. I only drink on weekends. I've got it under control. I can quit if I wanted to. Funny thing is, every single addict I've ever met, including myself, has some version of those words. And yeah, myself included. And that's because addiction doesn't survive on alcohol. It survives on denial. The bottle's just a delivery system. The lie is what keeps it alive. You start creating stories, little explanations, tiny excuses. Excuses. My bad. Not because you're a bad person, but just because the truth is uncomfortable. The truth says this is becoming a problem. The truth says people are worried about me. The truth says I'm not okay. And that's hard to face. So instead, we become lawyers for our addiction. We defend it. We justify it. We negotiate with it. We explain it away. Some of us will become Olympic level excuse makers. We blame stress. We blame work. We blame our childhood. We blame our boss. We blame our spouse. Hell, sometimes we just blame the weather. Anything except that thing sitting in our hand. And eventually something really strange happens. The lies become automatic. You don't even realize that you're doing it anymore. You start saying things like, I don't drink that much, while carefully avoiding the real number. You say, I've cut back, while secretly increasing the size of the glass. You say, I'm functioning, while your mental health is quietly collapsing behind the scenes. That's the scary part. Addiction isn't hiding from you anymore. You're hiding it for the addiction. And that realization hit me like a truck. One day I just realized I wasn't protecting myself, I was protecting the bottle. I was sacrificing my peace to protect the thing that was destroying it. It only needs one more excuse, one more delay, one more lie, until eventually the lies become heavier than the addiction itself. Because carrying a secret is fucking exhausting. Pretending you're okay is fucking exhausting. Keeping up the act is fucking exhausting. And recovery starts with one terrifying sentence. I've been lying. Not to your family, not to your friends, to yourself. Because the moment that lie dies, recovery gets a chance to live. And that's where freedom starts. Not perfection, not some magical, sober superhero version of yourself, just honesty. Brutal, uncomfortable, life-changing honesty. If you're struggling tonight, stop fighting the truth. The truth just might hurt you, but it won't destroy you. The lies will. Thanks for listening. This has been Pure Chaos, real talk, real truth, raw, recovery, no filter. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks.